play pi baro ki perlok jonga ki nong kersan jonga bat kumcuru ki bom pat kersan yang aga pat epi lada pila pe jakane ke video jonga subha ba pin kersan yang daga ba pi press ya u bell icon subscribe button nang ba pinang yo shibun ki khubor shibun ki jingtip bat shibun ki video shibun ki update shibun ki information nagane ga channel jonga te kublai shibun ya ke jing lakloi jongpi ban kersan lem ya ke channel Tumitang ya puli ya kene ka notification AYUSH Society Southwest Garhi Recruitment 2024 various jobs 40 posts AYUSH Society Southwest Garhi Recruitment 2024 notification the office of the medical health officer under the district AYUSH Society Southwest Garhi district invites application for the below mentioned various job vacancies for the implementation of national AYUSH mission at embedded integrated AYUSH hospital at Ampati, Southwest Garo Hills district on contractual basis. The application deadline is 15 March 2024. Kini ki post number 1 post name medical health officer or homeopathy. Number of posts kide 2 lane are age limit 32 years lane 5 years relaxation for ST/SC. Salary it should be 32,000 per month. So essential qualification number 1 BMS degree from recognized institute. Number 2 registered with the board or council of homeopathic Meghalaya. Number 3 preferable with 2 years of clinical working experience. So kini gidi ki post na kabantai ki medical health officer. So na kabantai ki post jong ki medical officer Ayurveda. Number of posts kade 2 age limit the 32 years and a 5-year relaxation for ST/SC. The salary 32,000 per month. Essential qualification number 1 BAMS degree from recognized institute. Number 2 having valid registration from any state of ISM or Ayurveda council. So number 3 preferable with 2 years of clinical working experience. So ngipek sekipus kibalai terter. Teparlok kinong tapkam kapus kabalai kalong kadeka nursing in charge. So number of posts it is 1. Age limit it is 32 years, 5 years relaxation for ST/SC, and salary it is 28,000 per month. And essential qualification for nursing in charge. Number 1 BSc nursing from a recognized institute. Number 2 having registered under Meghalaya Nursing Council. Number 3 with 5-year experience years of working experience. Number 4 preferable those who have worked in government hospital during the COVID-19 pandemic. And post number 4 it is nursing staff. Number of posts it is 4. Age limit 32 years. 5-year relaxation for ST/SC. And salary it is 22,000 per month. And the essential qualification for the nursing staff, number 1 BSc nursing or GNM nursing from a recognized institute. And number 2 having registered under Meghalaya Nursing Council. Number 3 BSc nursing with 1 year's experience or GNM nursing with 2 years experience. Number 4 preferable those who have worked in government hospital during the COVID-19 pandemic. Post number 5 midwife. Number of posts 3. Age limit 32 years, 5-year relaxation for ST/SC. The salary 13,000 per month. So essential qualification. Number 1, A&M nursing from recognized institute. Number 2, having registered under Meghalaya Nursing Council. Number 3, should have 1 year working experience. And number 4, preferable those who have worked in government hospital during the COVID-19 pandemic. And the post number 6, post name Panchakama. Number of posts 2, 1 male and 1 female. Age limit 32 years. 5-year relaxation for ST/SC. Salary 12,000 per month. And the essential qualification, number 1, certificate in Panchakarma technician or the minimum 1 year duration from a recognized institute. And the number 2, with 1 year working experience. So kinu ki badon ya kini ki certificate phila ban apply ya kani ka post. Number 7, post name yoga instructor. Number of post 1, age limit 32 years, 5 years relaxation for ST/SC. And the salary 13,000 per month. Essential qualification, number 1, diploma in yoga or minimum 1 year duration from a recognized institute. And number 2, preferable with 1 year working experience. And now post number 8, post name lab technician. Number of post 2, age limit 32 years, 5-year relaxation for ST/SC. Salary 13,000 per month. Essential qualification, diploma in medical laboratory technology. So kinu ki candidates ki ba la pass ya kani ka post lab technician so ki la ban apply harangkat bat ka medical laboratory technology diploma. The post ka ba khandai or the post name pharmacist. So number of post 1, age limit 32 years, 5-year relaxation for ST/SC. And salary, it is 13,000 per month. Essential qualification, number 1, Bachelor in Pharmacy of Ayurveda or the Diploma in Pharmacy in Ayurveda Pharmacy from a recognized institute. And the number 2, should have a valid registration certificate. Number 3, preferable with 1 year working experience. Mentang ini page saka post ka ba shipo number 10, post name dispenser. Number of post 1, age limit 32 years, 5 years relaxation for ST/SC. The salary 13,000 per month. Essential qualification nakabanta kini ki dispenser. Number 1, person with experience in homeopathic pharmacy and dispensing. Number 2, minimum 2-year working experience certified by a registered homeopathic doctor from Meghalaya Homeopathic Council. Kapus ka bakadway pa de, kapus nim hangne kade ka office assistant com DEO. Number of posts kade 2, age limit 32 years, 5 years relaxation for ST/SC. And the salary kade 13,000 per month. So the essential qualifications for the post of office assistant cum or DEO. Shillong, number 1, graduate in any discipline with a diploma certificate in computer application. Number 2, preferable with 2 years of working experience. So kinu ki badonia ka computer application diploma certificate kila ban apply gani ka post DEO. Ka post bakhan post name the word boy and word girl. Number of posts 2, 1 male and 1 female. Age limit 32 years, 5-year relaxation for ST/SC. Salary, it is 8,500 per month. And the essential qualification, it is 10 pass. So kinu ki candidates ki bala pass ya ka class 10 kila ban apply kini ka post what boy and what girls. Number 13, post name sweeper. Number of posts 1, age limit 32 years, 5 years relaxation for ST/SC. Salary kadai 8,500 per month. Essential qualification 10 pass. So kani ka post sweeper ru kadai na kamantai ki 10 pass candidates. Tes soba perlok bani sim ya kani ka kabu na kabanta kani ka post jong ki kelas 10. So mentangin pe ya ka post number 14, post name it is cook. So number of posts 1, age limit 32 years, 5-year relaxation for ST/SC. Salary 8,500 per month. The essential qualification for the post of cook is 10 passed. So kaneru ka post na kamanta ki cook kadai ya ki bala pass class 10. Now we'll move on to the number 15, post name wion. Number of posts 1, age limit 32 years, 5 years relaxation for ST/SC. Salary 8,500 per month. Essential qualification here also 10 pass. So na kamta gitu ki candidates ki ba mood bantap ya ka post beyond ru ka essential qualification jong phi kadai 10 pass. Number of post 16, post name chowkidar. Number of posts day 1, age limit 32 years, 5-year relaxation for ST/SC. Salary 9,000 per month. Essential qualification here also 10 pass. So na komenta gitu ki candidates ki ba mood ban apply ya ka post chowkidar. Ka salary chung phiru ka khamkiu bani kiwei kata kadai 9,000 per month. But ka qualification ru kadai hi 10 pass. And number 17, post name Jamadars. Number of posts 1, age limit 32 years, 5-year relaxation for ST/SC. Salary 8,500 per month. Essential qualification 10 pass. So for the post of Jamadars also, so the qualification will be 10 pass. So sobha the candidates na po rikasi jentia ba kapos jong Jamadars ru kadai hi na komentai ki bala pass class 10 de sobha ban sim ya kani ka kabu ban pandap na ne ban liktep hi dala ki jong ka jingdon kam de parlong mentang ya pe kumno ba phin late ban apply ya kani ka post apo jong ka AYUSH society cha Southwest Garuhil pithangne interested and eligible candidates can submit their application in hard copy only in the office of the district medical and health officer under the district AYUSH society Southwest Garo Hills district or on before the 15th of March 2024 up to 5 p.m. Hangne perlok kamut ba phi hab ban late hi dala ke jong ka men ban late ban submit lane ban apply ya kane ka ki post ki balai tapo ka AYUSH society harangkat bat ka hard copy jong phi lane ki certificate jong phi. And shushu friends, all application will be subjected to a screening process constitute for the purpose. Shortlisted candidate will have to undergo a personal interview. All relevant certificates, testimonials, etc. in original are to be produced at the time of interview if shortlisted. So gani pade phi ndam phi la sha jit pihak ban late sha ka personal interview tang ki bala sha jit bat pihak ban ra ru bat ki original certificate jong phi la da de kinu ki certificate ru ha ka por ba phi late ya kane ka personal interview. So friends, subha ban shim ya kane ka kabu ba ngi kum ki khasi ngin biang ngin bit ha ka kam ka jam wat numai lat ba tangkiwi ki jat bundu kin yo ban trei ha kini ki hospital rei ngin sim ya ka kabu ba ngiru ngide ban yo ban trei ha kum kini ki hospital ki ba punya de kini ka society ka ba de ka ayus mission. So friends tangkini hi nakwa ban pentip ipi ya menta kulei shubun kulei si hajar ngu kulei shubun ba pilai pe ka video jo so ha ba pin ya share ya like ba subscribe kulei shubun